Okay, so you've got your clear change box. You're ready to begin the cleanse. What do you do now? Hi, this is Dr. Hobbs, finding the cause and the solutions for you, restoring hope and health for lifetime family wellness. Okay, so we've got our clear change, and first thing you want to do is open the box, find out what's in there, right? So this is the 10-day one. We're all going to be doing the 28-day one, but you're welcome to do either one. There's great benefits from both. So this is the shaker cup. This is the medical food, and this is Advoclear, a supplement to help you with extra detoxification. This is a support cleanse, supports your body's natural detoxification as opposed to purging your body. So you shouldn't have to stay close to the bathroom for this. With some people will want some probiotics to go with this. If you have intestinal problems, you want some probiotics to add to that, and you can come by and get that from us. Or you may also want essential fatty acids if you have a lot of inflammation. Those can help with that. All right. So Anna, we're ready to go. We've got the box. We open it up. I want to make this simple. What do I do?
So first you're going to take out the booklet that's in the box and turn to the, I put tabs in here so it makes it easy, recommended food list page.
Now, do we even before that, is there anything else in the book, like at the beginning, is there guidelines that we want to look at?
There is.
She's already done this, so she already knows the guidelines.
So you read the guidelines because there might be something in there that you don't want to do or you don't feel comfortable doing, or foods that you don't want to eat. So
you want to do it all. You want to do it all.
And then read it all the steps, because it does give you all the steps to do. Then you're going to go to the recommended food list. So you can pick out some foods on here that you want to put together for your cleanse. If you don't have it, highlight it, go back to it later, and do some shopping.
Okay, so big list of foods. Things you can eat, right? There's a lot of things you cannot eat. Most of the center of the grocery store. But find the things you can and go, okay, I really don't want to eat that, but I do want to eat this. Pick out what you want. So that's what you're going to shop from.
So the first 10 days, it's going to be all fish. So salmon is recommended on here. Later on, you can change to poultry. So
as far as the meat goes, right? There's also fruit and vegetables?
That's the protein. The proteins is mostly fish. So after that, you turn to the page where it's blue on top, and there's sample menus.
So if you're vegetarian, is there an option? Yes, there is. So there'll be legumes for that, all right?
There is options, yes.
For you vegetarians, there's still hope.
Okay, and then so you turn to the page where the blue on top, it's sample menus. It has day 1, day 2, it has all the days in here, and it gives you samples of what you can have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you can look at those and see what works for you. And when you're done with that, you can go shopping, get the foods that you want, and get them ready. In the back, there's also a page that says recipes for sample menus. You can go back there, and some things I didn't know how to prepare, so I wanted to make it taste different every day. I looked in the back for some samples and came up with some really good ideas. So once you're done with that.
Okay, so do you have to use these recipes?
No,
don't. But for somebody like me, I'm like, just keep it simple, right? For somebody who actually wants their food tasty, well, you may want to use the recipes.
Yeah, you don't want the same taste every day, because then you might get burnt out on it, and you don't want to get burnt out because this is really, really fun. Okay, so after you've done that, take that list that you have that you highlighted of foods that you want to eat and go shopping. Shop for your foods. Then you can get a piece of paper or a notebook somewhere, make out your menus of how you want to have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I recommend that you prepare at least for 3 to 5 days ahead of time. That way you have it ready to go. And the way that I did it is...
One more step here. So in the booklet, there's also, this is what you do on day 1, day 2, day 3, and then, so there's some specific guidelines that you can look at for details there. It'll change a little bit as time goes on, so make sure you're staying on track with that.
Yeah, so if you look at the sample menus, you'll see the days ahead of time of what they recommend for each of the days. And what I did is I bought these Tupperwares, 99-cent store. They come with lids, and I made the food. So I did the fish, put them all in the oven at the same time, made the fish, I made the rice, and I made the vegetables. And then I took this little container, and you can put it in 3s. My fish, my rice, my vegetables, and put it in the fridge. And when I came home from work, I just popped it in the microwave, and it was ready to go.
Okay, so and what we want to do, of course, you want to take it out of this before you microwave it, because we don't want those plasticizers in your body, right?
Just for storage.
Super great idea. Have it prepared ahead of time. Maybe you don't come home for lunch. You have this ready. You take it with you to work, and you're ready to go. Okay, you can do this.
You can do this.
Text us or call us if you have any questions. Join us for the cleanse. We're all doing this now, and we'd love to have you with us. All right, have a great day. May God bless you.